All right, welcome back, chart addicts. So we have some breaking news for you. Apple has removed MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 from the Apple Store without any notice. Let's go through why it happened and go through some of the alternatives for what to look forward to. New users can no longer download it off the Apple Store. You guys can see I tried to search it up here on the App Store, not available. If you already have it downloaded, you should still have access. However, I am hearing reports from some people that they've been logged out of their MetaTrader 4 app and they're having trouble logging back in. So let me walk you guys through what we think is going on here and how to prepare yourself for some alternatives if you guys are using MetaTrader 4 right now. Sources that are close to the situation have indicated to me that there is a few possibilities about what's happening here. One is that MetaTrader 4 is owned by Russians. Apple seems to be taking a stance on Russian apps. So this could be a crackdown specifically because of the larger geopolitical situation. The second most likely thing that I'm hearing is that this is a regulatory crackdown on offshore brokerages. And instead of going for the thousands of offshore brokerages that operate under MetaTrader, they decided to jump straight to the top and go for the head of the operation. And so this could be a regulatory crackdown, or this could be something because of the geopolitical sanctions. It's up to you guys to use your discretion to figure out which one it is. And as news comes out, we'll keep you guys updated. So for now, what do you do? A lot of people texting us, do I have to go back to work? Is trading done with? No. Trading existed before MetaTrader, and trading will certainly exist after MetaTrader. CTrader is one of the competitors for MetaTrader and MetaQuotes in general. Hasn't gotten a lot of traction. The user interface is clean. The technology is clean. The software is very efficient. I'm not sure if that's a good alternative because if MetaQuotes can go under, I'm sure that CTrader can as well. But I believe that a lot of folks are going to slowly move away from MetaTrader over to CTrader. You can also still use the desktop version of MetaTrader that's still available. You can trade directly through TradingView on an API through the broker. And there's tons of other options and other platforms for you guys to trade with. We'll be releasing one very soon just to combat this issue and to sort of make sure that you guys have a place that you feel confident in. Now, we don't have an accurate timeline because the story is still developing, but it's safe to assume that they're going to be under for a while. And this situation could escalate and maybe affect the desktop version. So for now, I would tread carefully using the MetaTrader app. And I would also make sure to start looking at alternatives like some of the ones that we've listed. So for now, those are the two big speculations that's happening. This is either a geopolitical conflict and we're sanctioning Russian apps and Apple has taken a stance, or this is a regulatory crackdown on offshore brokerages and the retail Forex space in general. So we'll keep you guys updated on any latest news updates. Come and trade with us using the link below, chartaddictsfx.com. Regardless of what situation comes out of this, we're still going to be crushing the markets. I'll see you guys in the next video.